Home improvements are an essential part of maintaining and enhancing the value, security, and aesthetic appeal of your property. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is door replacement. Whether you are looking to improve security, boost curb appeal, or increase energy efficiency, replacing your doors in Birmingham is a smart investment that yields significant returns. Here's why making this upgrade is a worthwhile decision for your home. Enhanced security and safety. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for door replacement is to enhance their property's security. Older doors, particularly those made of wood, can weaken over time, making them more susceptible to break-ins. Newer doors, especially those made from steel, fiberglass, or solid core wood, provide superior protection against forced entry. Additionally, modern locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks and smart locks, add an extra layer of security. Investing in high-quality replacement doors can deter intruders and keep your family safe, giving you peace of mind. Improved energy efficiency. Birmingham's varying climate can result in high energy bills if your doors are not adequately insulated. Older doors often have gaps, cracks, or poor sealing, leading to drafts that make your HVAC system work harder. New energy-efficient doors come with enhanced insulation, weather stripping, and advanced materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. By replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient options, you can significantly reduce heat loss in the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer. This results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Boosted curb appeal and home value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn-out or outdated door can make your entire property look unkempt, while a stylish, modern door instantly enhances curb appeal. With a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes available, you can choose a door that complements your home's architecture and increases its visual appeal. A well-chosen door replacement can also boost your property's market value. Potential buyers often prioritize homes with recent upgrades, and a high-quality door can make a lasting impression. Studies suggest that door replacements can yield a high return on investment, ROI, making it one of the best remodeling projects for resale value. Better functionality and durability. Over time, doors experience wear and tear, which can lead to issues such as sticking, creaking, or difficulty closing properly. Replacing an old door with a new, well-fitted one ensures smooth operation and improved durability. Modern doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, preventing warping, rotting, or rusting. Whether you choose a steel, fiberglass, or high-quality wooden door, you can enjoy a long-lasting solution that requires minimal maintenance. Noise reduction for a quieter home. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road, noise pollution can be a problem. Older doors may not provide adequate sound insulation, allowing unwanted noise to enter your home. New doors with solid cores and advanced insulation materials can significantly reduce noise levels, creating a more peaceful and comfortable indoor environment. Customization options to suit your style. With modern door replacement options, homeowners can enjoy a variety of customization features. From decorative glass inserts to bold colors and unique hardware, you can tailor your new door to reflect your personal style and home's character. Additionally, you can choose smart technology features such as keyless entry or built-in security cameras for added convenience and protection. Final thought: Door Replacement in Birmingham is a smart investment that enhances security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and functionality. Whether you are upgrading for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell your home, a new door provides lasting benefits that make it a worthwhile home improvement project. With numerous options available, you can find the perfect door that suits your needs, style, and budget. If you're considering replacing your doors, consult with a professional door installation service to explore the best options for your home. The right door can transform your living space while providing added safety, savings, and style for years to come.